Go.
The timer's up.
Let's see who can do Daisy.
Yeah.
Daddy's ready doing the white cross.
Yeah.
I don't know what's Ryan doing.
He's trying to fit the cubit.
What is that? They are going to be on the lead. Daddy or Ryan? He's ready at white cross. Now he's battling. Ryan still keep on going.
He can do this now, the white cross.
Look at them. Look at Daddy's one. Look at Ryan's one. Ryan's doing very well. Daddy's trying to do it. I'm not on this.
What?
Challenge, are we now stop?
Blueberry?
No.
You want berry juice? Let me see. It's yummy.
Another one.
Hawan. Arina, Hawan.
There's Daddy. Here's Ryan.
Arina, Hawan.
Sit down.
Arina, Hawan.
Oh, Daddy. Okay, Daddy's finished one of them.
One layer.
Ryan's already finished. Ryan already finished the white layer, but he messed it up. But Daddy doesn't want to mess it up.
Of course.
Look at Daddy. Look at Ryan. He's focusing. You think who's gonna win, Daddy or Ryan?
Oh. Yeah, petition on Rayyan.
Aristo.
Who's winning?
Let's see.
Mommy, what's
That's
this for?
Daddy.
Mommy, what this for?
Let's get a little bit closer. And there's Ryan.
Bible for you. You want?
Where's it at? Whoa, Daddy's almost finished. Let's see Ryan. Ryan's not yet finished, but look at Daddy's. He's about to finish. Let's see who can be the champion.
Arina, I think somebody called your name.
Miss Alvina.
Need help or not? Pause.
You press a button.
Pause.
Yeah,
Pause.
Press a button.